Hey, if you are a manufacturer in the security equipment industry or possibly an integrator, this is for you and you're going to want to see it before your competitors do. My firm, Accelerated Manufacturing Brokers, Inc., has listed a manufacturer of data transmission and surge protection products. This company is over 40 years old, known internationally. They have patents, they have trademarks. The company is easily relocatable. It is currently located in the southern United States, but it's very easily relocatable. This company has incredible brand recognition. As of June of this year, they had 22% gross margin increase over the same period last year and 16% net income increase over same period last year. This is a quality company. Again, incredible brand recognition. You can download information, an NDA and a teaser from our website at www.acceleratedmfgbrokers.com or email us info@acceleratedmfgbrokers.com. Thomas Barling is the deal coordinator for this one, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks. Have a great day, everybody.